Hello. Do you laugh when someone suggests that algae is the fuel of the future? Are you tired of the federal government wasting $500 million on failed solar panel companies? Do you believe in the quaint notion that government should not be picking winners and losers in our economy? Then the Flat Earth Society is for you.
Now, if these guys were around when Columbus set sail, they'd be charter members of the Flat Earth Society.
We may believe that the Earth is flat, but at least we're smarter than the guy who believes that green slime is fuel.
Algae. You got a bunch of algae out here.
Go-karts will get us to work.
We can't drive our SUVs.
And you can flush all of a number 2 with one of those new low-flow toilets. Oop, still there. Join us morons in the Flat Earth Society. We're so stupid to believe that if you pass a multiple billion-dollar stimulus against our wishes, then it should at least stimulate.
He's a jackass.
So join the Flat Earth Society today. And just for signing up, we'll send you a book of dirty jokes by an even bigger dummy, Joe Biden.
May the hinges of our friendship never go rusty. Well, with these two folks, there's no doubt about them staying oiled and lubricated here. Ladies and gentlemen.
Woo-hoo!